Question number 4, exercise 4.3. Question number 4 is the sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans' age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 divided by 3. Find his present age. Question is the sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans' age in years. Choice. 3 years ago and 5 years from now. From now is 1 divided by 3. Find his present age. Go question chase. Question number 4 chase. The sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans' age. Rehmans' age yus ashi temkin reciprocal chase jama karun. Rehmans' age yus ashi reciprocals man in years mar kemuk reciprocal 3 years ago yus tem's age need be 5 years from now. Go 3 vari brum yus age ban as Rehmans' be 5 vari pat yus as Rehmans' age ban. Then reciprocal chase jama karun su chase barabar 1 divided by 3. Find his present age. As one pe Rehmans' present age kad barabar. So go samjhawan enjoy the question. Agar is etka nimu ya such a enjoy karo is present age that kiatnas ya present age more dono age Rehmans' present age karo let agar yatnas Rehmans' present age tha was x year Rehmans' present age for me x year enjoy pat 3 years ago to me go ki enjoy 3 vari ago go yokun 3 vari 5 vari pat go yokun agar enjoy wat was 3 vari brum hasa se imsin age so ase present age gasan 3 vari tapi so bani x minus 3 agar 5 years from now matlab present age pat 5 vari yatnas hasa bani Rehmans' age bani enjoy x plus 5 yatnas bani x which is ki yemuk reciprocal is nun to mon chai jama karun su chai 1 by 3 is barabar to go goda karo is Rehmans' present age let by solution karo is let Rehmans' present age be equal to x years. X years thawan imsi present age. 3 years ago should be imsi age. Rehmans' age is x minus 3. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Bond can lekhos Rehmans' age. 3 vari brum asim age x minus 3 years. Pat questions mans as and 5 years from now present age pat 5 vari present age pat 5 vari yeli gasan present age pat tel imsin age bana x plus 5 go 5 years from now ya after 5 years ya 5 years from now 5 vari pat that is after 5 years. Rehmans' age so chase bana x plus 5 years. Pat chase according to question the sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans' age yat reciprocal karun as yat ages jama karun yemuk reciprocal so chase 1 by 3 is barabar question bata according to question x minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 yemuk reciprocal 1 divided by x minus 3. Pachus jama karun yemuk reciprocal go yemuk reciprocal by x plus 5 divided by 1 yemuk reciprocal by 1 divided by x plus 5. You chase already that question was asked 1 by 3. But here goes sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans' age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 divided by 3. By cross multiplication cross go one side mo yaza you when x plus 5 plus pat karo one side you when x minus 3 b is when man don't have it x minus 3 x plus 5 yad mo pat zara is 1 by 3 barabar x gives x पाँचन करो तत रोजन ज डिवाइड बाय x minus 3 x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. ये बने 2x plus 2 because x to x gives x 5 and divided by x minus 3 x plus 5 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Input करो इस cross multiplication. ये cross multiplication करो वो तिल दिमो 1 से दिमो ज़रा वो ये बने लिखो वो ये इस cross multiplication करो cross multiplication स्मॉन्स करो इसको ये दिमो ज़रा सुबह x minus 3 x minus 3 x plus 5 is equal to 3. So the ya zarab 3 2 go 6 x plus 6. ये तो या zarab x into x go x square x into plus 5 goes plus 5x minus 3 into x goes minus 3x negative positive go negative 3 5 go 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. ये बन x square 5 करो तब रोजन x सती आनो 6 गो माइनस 6 माइनस 15 सती आनो 6 बन माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0 तेल बन x स्क्वायर z माइनस 6 गो माइनस 4x 15 तो 6 गई 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 बन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 where a is equal to 1 here you compare करूँ each 1 बराबर गो here a is equal to 1 b is equal to minus 4 c is equal to minus 21. Therefore, discriminant d b square minus 4ac. Discriminant d ने बराबर b square goes minus 4 square minus 4 a बदल 1 c बदल goes minus 21. d ने बराबर 4 4 are 16 negative positive 4 1 is 4 4 into 21 that is 84 which is equal to 84 plus 16 which is equal to 100 100 is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Gotil है कोई लिखते by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula करो apply. x बराबर आसान minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. x नेर बराबर minus b बदल दिमोन value b ऐसे minus 4 plus minus d बदल 100 नेरा divided by 2 a बदल goes 1 x ने बराबर negative negative को positive plus minus root of 100 is 10 10 10 are 100 divided by 2 x नेरा ऐसे इम्पल्ट x नेरा ऐसे value of नेर x is बराबर 4 plus 10 वो therefore x नेर बराबर 4 plus 10 divided by 2 और x नेर बराबर 4 minus 10 divided by 2 x नेर बराबर 14 divided by 2 और x नेर बराबर minus 4 minus 10 is minus 6 divided by 2 x दा बराबर 7 और x दा बराबर minus 3 x दा is the value अगर 7 positive ब्याह नेगेटिव मार x है एज करनस नेट एज के नॉट बी इक्वल टू नेगेटिव एज नेगेटिव is गोती दा x is value thus x is 7 because x is not equal to minus 3 that is age cannot be equal to negative which is rejected. If x draws 7 you'll try Rehmans present age as 7 therefore Rehmans present age says x years almost so that is 7 years. Well, so some of the reciprocals of Rehmans age in years, 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 divided by 3 point is present age. Present age is Rehmans and cutting or let Rehmans present age be equal to x here. But 3 years ago, age I so present age is the top of ego age as 3 years broncos I see so I say present age minus theta would look Rehmans age as x minus 3 years. 5 years from now go in path present age path agar response very nimo pirasa by Rehmans age x plus 5. But according to question to the sum of the reciprocals of Rehmans age as 3 very broncos very path age by in reciprocal jama so you 1 divided by 3 guys ko reciprocal in jama 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. 1 into x plus 5 was x plus 5, 1 into x minus 3 was x minus 3, and to go x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. x plus x goes 2x, 5 minus 3 goes 2x in minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. By cross multiplication, you have the answer even x minus 3x plus 5. You have the more, so even 3 2 go 6, x plus 3 2 go 6. Even x into x go x square, x into 5 go 5x minus 3 into x goes minus 3x minus 3, 5 go minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. Go yum terms karo pyuk ni even x square 5 and ke 3 that was x 30 on x even minus panda you to she yo when even minus she is equal to 0 even x square z minus she goes minus 2 or minus panda minus she go minus 21 is equal to 0 even a chord equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is equal to 1, h1 is barabar, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. Then discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4, you see d is equal to b square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 21, d is equal to minus go plus 4 is 16, negative positive 4 1 is 4, 2 into 21 84 which is equal to 100. 60 plus 84 is 100. 100 is greater than 0 when d is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. By using quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus under root of d divided by 2a. X equal to minus b is minus 4 plus minus under root of d. D is 100 divided by 2 into a. A is 1. X equal to 4 plus minus negative positive 4 plus minus root of 100 is 10 divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 2 and x is 4 minus 10 divided by 2. X equal to 7. 4 plus 10 is 14 divided by 2. X equal to 7. X equal to 4 minus 10 divided by 2. X equal to minus 6 divided by 2. X equal to minus 3. Ach value should be rejected because age is let comes x is barabar present age mother age negative value guys cancel I put positive value is go x equal to 7 because x is not equal to minus 7. Therefore Rehmans present age is x here that is Rehmans age is 7 years.